Up gang, I'm back guys. I'm here with that strategy guys you've been waiting for so long guys. Now the strategy guys, it's here. So guys, first of all, I'll explain you guys when to sell and when to buy using this strategy. This strategy guys, it's also a killer as other strategies guys that have been dropping. You know, I said this is a lot. You know what I'm saying? Yo guys, listen, all you need guys, make sure you follow follow the rules that I'm about to give to you, and then go make money guys. Go make money. Listen guys, a lot of you guys used to ask me like, how much are you selling your strategy? Yo, listen, this channel right here guys, everything is free. You know what I'm saying? Everything is free. I don't sell the strategy. You know what I'm saying? And guys, I want to let you know guys that don't fall the scammers guys. Do not fall the scammers. If you wanna join the free Telegram group, my group, make sure you take the you join through the link that is on my video, because there's a lot of scammer guys on Telegram. And I say, as I find myself, I have a lot of groups, but it's not me. Some people, they just open the groups, but it's not me. But if you wanna join the real channel, make sure you take the link that is on the description of my channel, then join through the link that I put in my channel. Then you know that is me. You know what I'm saying? So listen guys, without a further ado guys, I'm gonna share the settings for the strategy. First, I'm going to explain you guys when to sell and when to buy using this strategy. So before I share anything guys with you, you know what I'm saying, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, and like the video if you're new, and use the blocker that I'm using guys. The link is on description below. You know what I'm saying? No big spread. You know what I'm saying? In order to make this money guys, you need to have a good broker. I'll let you know why. You know what I'm saying? I'll let you know why, because there's some brokers, if you let's say you just put in your stop loss right here and the market is just come close to your stop loss, you know, they're just gonna take you out, you know what I'm saying, out of the market. You know what I'm saying? Even if the market didn't close to your stop loss, which that is not a good broker, you know what I'm saying, which has a big spread. So the broker I'm using has a nice spread. That's why I'm using him, and that's why I like him, and that's why I'm recommending you guys. You know guys how I do. I want you guys to make money, you know what I'm saying? So do the right thing. So let's get to the video guys. Let me share the settings with you so that you can be able to start printing your money into your account. So you know what I'm saying, you know what I said guys, make sure you do the right things. You know what I'm saying, make sure you like this video so that the video may be able to reach more people, because there's a lot of people who need this strategy. You know what I'm saying? So straight up guys, let's click F sign right here. We're gonna click F sign for settings. F sign, you know what I'm saying, click F sign. Boom. I first gonna delete everything that you see on the chart, so that we can be able to punch the strategy together. So let me delete everything. Boom, 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 boom. I hope your chart guys, I hope your chart is gonna be looking like this. You know what I'm saying? So now let's do the right things. So click F sign right here. Click F sign. Boom, F sign. So the first thing you're gonna look for guys, we're gonna look for Parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR. Click here to look for Parabolic SAR. Click there. Let's check Parabolic SAR if you're gonna find it right here. Parabolic SAR, Parabolic SAR. Okay, here is the Parabolic SAR guys. This one right here. This is the one which you want first. Click on it. So I'm gonna give you the settings for Parabolic SAR. You must put step 0.02. This one right here, 0.02, and then this one right here, maximum. It must be 0.0. Must be 0.2. You know what I'm saying? And then style must be 4 pixel, and color must be blue. You know what I'm saying? And after that, click right here. Click done. You feel me? Click done. And then you can see here we already put the parabolic SAR on the main chart. You know what I'm saying? So let's go put the next one. The next one is gonna be click F sign, first F sign, and then click right here, main chart, boom. And now we're gonna look for MACD. Gonna look for MACD, which is right here. All right, so MACD settings is going to be first EMA 15, you know what I'm saying, and slow EMA 28, and apply to close, you know what I'm saying, and main 4 pixel color must be this one, and signal 4 pixel color blue. And then after you've done that, you know, after you've done that, click right here as done. Boom. So let's see. So now you can see, guys, we already put our MACD on chart. Here it is. So guys, before we continue, click that like button, because what I'm about to share with you guys, it's amazing thing, guys. You know what I'm saying? No one can give this for free, you know what I'm saying? Because something that's going to make you money, you know what I'm saying? Click that that like button below, you know what I'm saying? And let's continue. So the third one is going to be F sign, click F sign, boom, and then click right here, main chart, click indicator windows 1 right here, boom. And then right now, guys, we're gonna look for moving average, which is right here, moving average. Click on moving average, period for the moving average. You're gonna put period 1, shift 0, you know what I'm saying, method, line weight, and then apply previous indicator data, right? Previous indicators data right here, and then style 4 pixel color red, and then after that click done. Boom. Look at this, guys. So now you can see, guys, we already have our moving average on MACD. Let's go ahead and put the other one. Click F sign, boom. All right, so right now we're going we're coming for relative straight index, which is RSI, you know what I'm saying. Click right here, indicator windows 1, boom. So now we're gonna look for relative straight index. Let's go, baby. We're almost there, guys. We're almost done, guys. Almost done. Guys, I'm back, guys. I'm back, guys. I'm back. You guys been saying like, yo, Juba, without you, man, we can't do it. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm back. Let's do it. So, the relative straight index settings is going to be period 1. You know what I'm saying? Apply to close. You know what I'm saying? Apply to close. Style 4 pixel, you know what I'm saying, and color you must put yellow. Feel me? And the most important, the levels are very important. Let's go here, put the levels, guys. The first level, guys, is going to be level 89.39. Type in right here strong cell. The second one is going to be 49.39. Type in TP. The third one is going to be 8.13. Type in strong buy. The fourth one is going to be 16.42. Type in entry. 4 pixel color blue. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you do the right thing. So let me do this. You can take the screenshot, you know what I'm saying? Guys, you know how I do, guys. I don't want nobody to get confused. I need everybody, guys, to be clear. You know what I'm saying? Because I know how it's feeling when somebody's explaining something but doesn't want you to understand. So I'm not that type of person. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to understand what we're going through. You know what I'm saying? I hope you're done. So come back here and click done. Boom. Let's go, baby. So guys, the strategy is done. So now you can see we got strategy on chart. We got the whole strategy on chart. So I already explained to you guys when to sell and when to buy, because as you can see, guys, the strategy explain everything. If you look at this point right here, it says strong sell, which means when the market reach at level 89.39, this is the strong sell. All you need to wait for is to wait for these two moving averages right here to close. You see the red moving average. You know what I said? The red moving average, it must close below the blue one. You know what I'm saying? It must close below the blue one, and then you take a sell. Also, pay attention to the chart. Pay attention to the main chart right here. Let me show you. Pay attention to the main chart. You need to see something like this. Let me show you. You see, you need to see something like this. You see this line right here. You support the market, the price action is supposed to break this line like this, which you're gonna take the market as blackout. You know what I'm saying? You can see this line right here. It's supposed to be broken, and then this red moving average is supposed to be already, you know, break below blue moving average. Then you are ready to go to enter the market. This who been asking for the zoom level, honestly, I don't like zoom level to zoom the market. I like to keep the market as it is, as it is. But if you want to use the zoom level, you can use level 2. So you can see now I already zoom out in. So when I say level 2, which you can zoom first one, second one, like that. You know what I'm saying? And then after you've done this, you must make sure if you want to use the zoom. Okay, so if you want to zoom in like that, make sure you're using the time frame. It must be 1 hour time frame. Use the strategy from 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, even 4 hours time frame. Which the strategy, you can take the entry according to where you find the entry at. If you find the entry is ready at 4 hour time frame, which you can take the opportunity at 4 hours time frame. As you can see, guys, this is how we've been killing this CHF. Next, this CHF, you know what I'm saying? No cap. I've been killing it for a while, you know what I'm saying? I've been swinging this trade, guys, for more than 4 days. Yes, for more than 4 days. So yeah, remember, guys, I told you guys I'm gonna drop the strategy, but I've been busy, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't have no chance to drop the strategy, but now you got it. Make sure to do the right things, like the video, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and do the right things. Use the broker that I'm using so that we can be able to have same result. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I'm out. Make sure you do the right things. Peace, guys. Go make money. Remember to come back to me. Let me know how much the strategy is working for you. Peace, guys. I'm out.